talk about challenges to political parties now. Children, political parties they work according to their efficiency and they try their level best to meet the requirements of the people. But it is quite natural that few of the tasks are done and the others are left. We have talked earlier that it is the people's group who are able to approach the political parties time and again. They express the shortcomings of the working of the political parties to them. They blame and they claim for whatever is wrong within the democracy also. Since the political parties they perform their functions in their capability to their level best, but the dissatisfaction and the criticism also it has to be focused upon by these political parties so as to overcome them. And now the first challenge here is lack of internal democracy. It has been seen that the political parties they concentrate power within one or a few leaders at the top. They do not keep membership registers also properly, not meetings are being held regularly. Ordinary members of the party they do not get sufficient information about what is happening inside their parties. They do not have the means or the connections needed to influence that decision. Means what actually the people they want to be done and what is actually being done by the political party top leaders, it is not even open among the party members actually. Since one or few leaders they exercise paramount power in the party, those who disagree with the leadership they find it very difficult to continue in the party. Means they are simply the members for the namesake. Their loyalty to the party principles and policies, personally loyalty to the leader, it becomes more important. Means these members they are working for the namesake. Actually the decisions are being taken by the top leaders, so it should not happen. It is being taken as a challenge to political parties, that is lack of internal democracy among the political parties. The next challenge here is challenge of dynastic succession. This is also related to the first one. Most of the political parties they do not are working in an open environment. They are not transparent in their procedures, their functionings, and moreover, very few individuals in a particular party they go to the top level. They rise to the top level in the party. It also is happening because the leaders, the main workers of the party, they are in the position where they are very much unfair or they are not giving the advantage to the people actually. They are leading with the task, they are just giving the power to their family members only. The top positions are always controlled by the members of their family only. This is quite natural that it won't be accepted openly even by the members of the party or by the public. This tendency is present in some measure all over the world, including in some of the older democracies. Here we need not to name any one party or just to talk about these dynastic successions. We find it in our regional parties also, and particularly in national party also. We have noticed that in our country dynastic succession is quite clear. The third challenge here is the use of money and muscle power in the parties. This happens at the time of election. Though election commission has decided to fix the amount to be utilized at the time of election, parties are focused only on winning election. So what they do, they tend to nominate these candidates, all those candidates who have or can raise lots of money. Here the rich people and the companies who give funds, they are not giving funds only for the actual working for the political parties, but to own certain position or to get huge contracts from these political parties once they are in power. Political parties sometimes they support to the criminals also who can win elections, means the usage of muscle power is being highlighted. Democrats all over the world are worried about the increasing role of rich people. Means one way we say that there is political equality. Anyone can contest election. One person can give one vote, and one vote gives equal value to all. But what will be done if we see, if we notice, if we discuss like things that rich people, they have a good role, they are playing a role here in winning the elections. So we need to take care that political parties who use these things, these malpractices, should be avoided. The fourth challenge here is of meaningful choice to the voters. Children, meaningful choice means, yes, if it is democratic country, it is multi-party system in our nation, so there are number of parties who are there putting forward their policies, their programs in their manifesto. Before voting to any particular party, voters are provided number of choices. But what to do if all the parties, they are nearby doing the same task? In recent years, there has been a decline in the ideological differences among the parties in most part of the world. Say for example, the difference between the Labour Party and the Conservative Party in Britain, here it is discussed that it is quite small. They agree on more fundamental aspects but differ only in details on how policies are to be framed and implemented. But once they are in power, it is being noticed by the public that their working is not that very different or exclusive from one another. All those who really are differently working with their policies are very few. Sometimes people cannot even elect very such different leaders, either because the same set of leaders, they keep shifting from one party to another. So this is the challenge of meaningful choice to the voters. Means we will vote, we are voting, but we should be provided with good options, all those leaders who are working for us. Challenges to the political parties. Challenges can always be met out by certain reforms. But the question here is that if we need to bring certain reforms in the political parties, are they also actually willing to do these reforms? Are the people that very aware that certain challenges are there in the political parties which should be reformed? तो ये चीज़ें पॉसिबल तभी हो सकती हैं कि अगर उनके ऊपर ध्यान दिया जाए. किसकी तरफ से? From the side of the people also and from the political parties themselves as well. Children, citizens all over the world, they face this question. This is not simply to be answered in words only. Actually, it has to be worked out also. In a democracy, जो फाइनल डिसीजन लिया जाता है वो लेते हैं पार्टी के, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के टॉप लीडर्स. पीपल कैन रिप्लेस देम बट ओनली अनदर सेट ऑफ द पार्टी लीडर वुड बी देयर टू वर्क. और अगर वो भी अपने आप में कोई रिफॉर्म करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है तो ऐसे हालात में कोई भी चेंज कैसे लाया जा सकता है? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सर्टेन सजेशंस व्हाट हैव बीन टेकन बाय द और द एफर्ट्स बाय द कंट्री to bring certain reforms in the political parties. बच्चे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने एक अमेंडमेंट लाए हैं जो इलेक्टेड एमएलएस और एमपीज को एक पार्टी से दूसरे पार्टी में चेंज करने से रोकते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, इट इज टर्म्ड एज डिफेक्शन. डिफेक्शन इज व्हाट? चेंजिंग पार्टी अलायंस फ्रॉम द पार्टी ऑन विच ए पर्सन गॉट इलेक्टेड टू ए डिफरेंट पार्टी. ये क्यों किया गया था? क्योंकि जो इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स थे वो डिफेक्शन में इंडल्ज हो जाते हैं. जस्ट सिंपली दे वांट टू बिकम मिनिस्टर्स और फॉर सर्टेन रिवॉर्ड्स. जो नया लॉ बने हैं वो कहते हैं कि अगर कोई एमएलए या एमपी अपने पार्टी को चेंज करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी लूजिंग देयर सीट इन द लेजिस्लेटर, और इस तरीके से ये डिफेक्शन को रोक पाएंगे। इसी समय पे एमपीज और एमएलएज को भी एक्सेप्ट करना है जो उनके पार्टी लीडर्स ने डिसाइड किया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक और ऑर्डर पास किया है चैलेंज मनी एंड मसल पावर को रिमूव करने के लिए, कुछ कम करने के लिए मैंडेटरी कर दिया गया है दैट एवरी कैंडिडेट द वन हु इज़ कमिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कंटेस्ट द इलेक्शन, उसको फाइल इन करना पड़ेगा अपनी कंप्लीट प्रॉपर्टी डिटेल्स। उसको एक एफिडेविट साइन करना है जिसमें डिटेल्स देंगे वो अपनी प्रॉपर्टी का, क्रिमिनल केसेस का, अगर कोई उनके अगेंस्ट में कोई पेंडिंग केसेस भी चल रहे हैं तो। दिस न्यू सिस्टम विल ब्रिंग लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू द पब्लिक, बट if we wish to check the political parties working, it is only by the public's participation. We always need to remember that reforms in paper and in practice, they both go hand in hand if public's participation is there. तो अगर हमें कमी लानी है रिच और क्रिमिनल्स के अप्रोचेस को towards the political parties, तो we need to be careful. इलेक्शन कमीशन ने पास किया है एक ऑर्डर मेकिंग इट एसेंशियल फॉर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज टू होल्ड their organizational elections and file their income tax return also. Means पार्टी को ये क्लियर करना है कि वो सिर्फ फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं कर रहे हैं इलेक्शंस के नाम पे, वो प्रॉपरली इलेक्शंस कंडक्ट भी किए जा रहे हैं। तो ये एक ऐसा स्टेप रहेगा जो इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी को मेंटेन करेगा किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में। सो दिस हैज़ बीन डन टू फेस द चैलेंज ऑफ इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी इन द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। इसके साथ साथ बहुत से सजेशंस भी दिए गए हैं टू ब्रिंग सर्टेन रिफॉर्म्स इन द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। कहते हैं कि इंटरनल अफेयर्स जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के हैं उनको रेगुलेट करने की ज़रूरत है। ये कंपलसरी कर दिया जाए कि एवरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हैज़ टू मेंटेन अ रजिस्टर, क्या कि जिसमें उनके सभी मेंबर्स के नाम होंगे और वो खुद कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का पालन करेंगे। दे विल एक्ट एज अ जज इन केस ऑफ पार्टी डिस्प्यूट्स टू होल्ड अपॉन इलेक्शंस टू द हाईएस्ट पोस्ट। मीन्स वो जो मेंबर्स हैं वो अपने पार्टी का ध्यान करेंगे। ये मैंडेटरी कर दिया गया है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को कुछ मिनिमम नंबर्स ऑफ जो टिकट्स हैं अबाउट 1/3 वो उनको देना चाहिए फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स को। दिस इज़ a suggestion for the reforms. There should be a quota for the women also in decision making bodies. बेटा स्टेट फंडिंग भी किया गया है एक sort of reform that it will be given in form of kind or petrol or paper or telephone bills etc. It could be given in cash on the basis of votes secured by the party in the last elections. कि कितना खर्चा किया है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने उसी के बिहाफ पे फर्दर उसको और अमाउंट दिया जाएगा। ये सजेशंस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ ने माने हैं या नहीं माने हैं, इस बात की गारंटी कैसे होगी? बाय आवर पार्टिसिपेशन, बाय आवर एक्टिव रोल टू बी प्लेड इन देयर वर्किंग। जो रेगुलेशन है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ का ये एक काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव तभी फील आएगा हम लोगों में once we are there looking into their working, and this working is not only from outside people. Those who wish to bring certain reforms, they should join these political parties, because the quality of democracy, its improvement, it depends on the degree of public participation. No doubt we are also participating by giving our valuable vote to one or the other political party, the party which works smoothly, we give our vote to them. This is also a sort of participation, but those who can spare themselves, they can join the political parties. It is difficult to reform the parties if ordinary citizens are not willing to bring certain changes, means they are not playing their role and criticizing only from outside. तो जो प्रॉब्लम है वो worse हो जाएगी if only criticism is there without any solution. So these reforms, these suggestions, if taken by the political parties, definitely they will be able to meet out their challenges and function properly. Here we end up that yes, we need political parties, but need is not only there, we need to look after their working just to improve their functioning.